Hello. I just want to do another impromptu video or live stream where I discuss the starlight problem, distant starlight, so called problem. And it's really not that complicated. We should already know that light arrives instantly. But the problem is that we're seeing everything happen through the lens of dilated time and distance because we exist in dilated time and distance. So we're not actually seeing what the reality is. We're seeing, as it were, a projection, a slow motion projection, so that we can see what's happening, or we see, so that we can see things as they, taking time to occur, because that's our existence. Our existence is in dilated time and distance, so that's how we see the universe. It doesn't mean that the universe is billions of years old. It just means that time and distance are dilated, and that's the existence that we live in or exist in. The reason we can know that we're not seeing the reality is because um, we're seeing the same galaxy in different places. So, which one is the real occurrence? We're seeing the same astronomical event at different times. So, which one occurred at the right time? It's literally a projection. We're seeing everything through the lens of dilated time and distance. And that doesn't mean the universe is billions of years old. It just means that time or light is dilated down to what we call the speed of light, so that we can, that's the rate that we see things happen, because that's the fabrication that we exist in. We exist in a fabrication of dilated time and distance. So it's not that the universe is billions of years old, it's just that we see everything in dilated time and distance, or in slow motion, basically. So there is no starlight problem because light actually arrives instantly. We're born into the universe while the photons have already arrived, while they're already there. But our existence is such that things take time to occur, and they have to take time to occur because that's the fabrication that we live in. And what we're seeing is a projection. It's not the reality, because if it was the reality, we wouldn't be seeing the same galaxy in multiple different places, and we wouldn't see the same astronomical event years apart from each other. So if it happened years apart from each other, that's evidence that we're seeing things through the lens of dilated time and distance. So it's not a problem. Distant starlight is not a problem for us. It's not a problem for creation, because it's just that. It's a fabrication. Creation is a fabrication. We exist in slow motion. So that's about that. God bless everybody.